Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can effectively use slicers, the slicer visual in Power BI. So first, to use the slicer, I will have to make a visual. So I will create a normal stacked column chart. I will expand this. I'll add my fields to it from the right side of the screen. I want my category. I want my regions. I want my sales. I also want my segment and my shipping mode. So I have put in a lot of details here. I understand. I get that. So let me convert this into a cluttered column chart. I did that by clicking inside the visual first and then clicking on the visual that I wanted to change it into. So now yeah, and like you see, it is just showing me the category and the region. So now if I want to look at the segments, what will I do? I'll come down here and I will click on the expand button. Then it will show me the segments as well. But now I don't want to see all of this. So I click outside and I come here and I select the slicer visual, which is just below the map visual, and I want to filter all of this data according to my profit. So now I have, the lowest I have is a negative 6599 and the highest I have is a 8399, 8399. So now I have the flexibility to just go from 0 and look at above. So I want to see from, you can type it as well, from 0 till my highest profit. I don't want to see the negative profits. Then the visual changes that way. Similarly, I can also have another filter, another slicer, sorry, that can have regions in it. So let's say I don't want to see all the regions. So when I click on west, it will only show me west. When I click on south, it will only show me south. And when I press control, then I can select two of these checkboxes at the same time, even three for that matter. See, to select more than one, you have to press control and then select the other one. I can also have another slicer. I'll click outside and then I'll click on slices right here. This can be my subcategories. No, sorry. This can be by my shipping mode. So I have 4 shipping modes. I can have first class. I can just have a look at the products that was supplied through first class. I can have same day delivery, second class mode, or the standard class. So slices give you a lot of flexibility while analyzing your data, instead and without changing the whole visual, keeping the visual intact. I mean the fields in the visual intact. You could add slices and get a different analysis for the way or for the decision that you want to take. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.